What's that?
I've got laser.
I'll only forget about it.
I'm going to now.
What are you doing? I heard ya. There, don't rock it. Oh, Blair Witch Project.
Oh, there it is. I've got one. Oh, yeah, you. Is that yours?
Show your grandma your Guy Fawkes.
It's a girl.
It's a girl, folks.
Let me have a look then. Let me have a look right down to my side just to make me cough. Oh, beautiful.
Masker's not going on.
Oh. Well, you take it off then, don't you?
Do you want to go and put it on fire, ready?
Yeah, and then take your photo.
Come on then, let's go and put it on fire, ready then. Yeah.
Come on,
Come on, take a mask, Tim. Take a mask off first.
Take that mask off.
We've got some other mask. It don't matter about a mask, you'll burn.
Shut up.
I'm just saying, don't bother about putting another mask on.
Wow. That's mine.
Is that a Hannibal Lecter mask then?
No, that's Jason.
Jason.
Jason, isn't it?
No, because we can race it till later on.
Hey, do you know Tony?
It's a girl. Beautiful.
You're freezing now, Tony.
You've been sending me artistic then, Tom.
Make it, it's Halloween, isn't it?
Which Project 3?
I'm gonna get you. Don't I? I'd like to thank my mom.
No, I'm just going to ask about this.
Yeah.
Phantom
Wait a minute, anybody got any snot? I've got doing the Blair Witch thing.
Anybody out here been showing their willy to little girls in public toilet?
Oh, yeah, you can get
What? It's me. This me and Sky and everything left out here.
Oh, him! Last night. Got pistol.
Oh, go next way.
Waiting for you.
Are you sure you can remember where it is? Right, you get one of them.
You found the toy.
Thank you, Coach.
Want an axe?
Oh, I need an axe. You know, I've got the right axe for it. I need an axe to go here.
Has somebody took your photo with that on?
Have you took mask off the car?
Do you want a picture? Hey, bring that tomato ketchup. Get them end it ashes. And then ashes.
Oh my God, cancel everything.
Yep, I'll put it on you.
Wait a minute, no, wait a minute, it's got to be... Right,
What is
not open yet. Right, no, we've got to get this set up right. Somebody's going to need to use the camera.
Show me how to press it.
Somebody's going to need to do the special effects, namely, as I could do like that with an axe.
Oh, two.
Well, wait up to me.
You got to be covered.
And onto the mask.
It's been,
So it'll look great when it comes
I'll
out on
come up
video.
here. I'll go up here, out of way. You'll get the
Wait a
camera lined up.
Wait a
What are you
minute now.
doing now?
We're doing special effects.
Mother, do you think you get sauce?
Well, it's got to because it's square tech. Yeah, I use axe here.
Gracie! Get the old stuff!
No, you need to just squirt it.
We need to
You'll
squirt
see
it
why
back
in a minute. No, you got to, Tim, you got to take the foil out of this squirt. They didn't follow me to the toilet and demanded it. Right. What a victim. there?
Ah, Bob.
Gotta be
He's ugly.
Bob.
Bad,
Bob.
fat and ugly.
Victim.
Don't look scary.
Timothy,
What?
use the cheek.
No, it's got to be this. It's
The squirter.
Right.
Right, so where are we going to do here then?
Give me back.
Yes!
Right. Okay. Now then.
Come on, Action.
Now then, is it switched on then?
No, I don't know. Show me, got to show me how to use it.
Switch on.
Give me back. Cheek.
It is recording.
Right, he's got to
Go. Kill. Must kill. Victims.
Come on, now you want some on axe, drip it off for axe.
Can't see a bloody thing. You got it right in the eye.
Tell that.
This better look good because this is art.
Right, what?
No, I'm not joking. I can't see bloody art. Come on.
That's got a bit best effect a lot on it, that. It really does look as though you've had your eyes poked out.
I feel like I've had my eyes poked out now. Give me a tissue somewhere. You want some?
Let everybody in after the
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Record.
I'm going to like it.
Is that it?
5 minutes to put it.
What you want is a couple of.
I'm moving in Monday, so.
What you want is a couple of threads.
This cardboard here.
You did have it. It's nice to hear.
Not much art to it.
I hate ketchup. I got it up my sleeves, in my face, up my nose.
Have you got to
Yeah, this one in here, this plastic is one. Oh, that's
You might come with 2 cars now, didn't you? I know, they do say keep your dogs indoors.
Dog's not bothered, is it?
Not yet. Hey. Ooh, Brayden! 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 Woo! Woo!
It's a fire. Expected. Oh, drinks.
Drinks, yeah. Drinks and some food.
Come here, Bob.
No, go ahead, not land on you, Bob.
You're alright, you're just dead. I thought it was going to come down and land on it. That was Richie, weren't she? Done the job, I'm in that.
Hey, yo! Oh, I do apologise, that's only second fireworks, so you haven't missed anything.
Right, well that one's done.
Rabbit, did you want the two?
I do.
Oh, what's it like? You good?
Oh, it's not just still.
Brayden. Brayden. Some fireworks going up around here.
what I intended doing.
Anybody else for Sue?
Watch him, James. Oh, now look.
Hey!
Hey!
What do you do? He passes to him, kicks off, he passes to him, he passes to him, somebody else passes to me, I pass it to somebody else, at the end of the game. That's 30 seconds. What? Yeah, some of them are. Last week I played to win
Not lit rate, Blake, goodbye.
What is it? No, I'm going to have a...
All right.
So, I can't see through it.
Well, don't look through that. Look through that. Just open you that so you can see through that.
Oh, I see, so I don't need to...
No, you don't look.
Look at that. Oh, I can put my glasses back on then. It's recording then. Yeah.
It's a wreck in the right hand corner.
Plenty are. Get your willy out then.
No, no. We've seen it before, and so has everybody else.
Thunderbirds.
Ah, go.
Oh, go. FAB. More presents, please.
Bob, how's your bladder? You ready for some fireworks putting out?
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Supposed to be on a competition tonight.
Try and get the shadow. Look at that. Who's that?
It's your head.
It's not.
Oh,
I know
no.
who it is.
Yeah, I know where it is, yeah.
More cheese, please, Grommy.
We've got bubbles up there.
I don't know what it is. Very, it's bubble
Thank you, Tim.
What?
You've just, your arse is just... Very well done.
I don't want it to go.
Walk backwards.
Thank you very much. Come on, Angela.
I like flying, Jackie. That's
More
all right.
presents. I demand presents.
think we'll
I'm not even bothered going opening this
Yeah,
one,
no.
because look. It's all sparkly.
Well,
No, she didn't actually. She got it with fireworks.
You don't need fireworks when you got this. You got the champagne ready?
go to nice.
It's Bertie Bassett. You're right. Didn't remember when that wrapping paper was present.
I see one there the other day.
Is it just me, or does people like giving me toys? Bertie Bassett. I've got Robbie, and I've got one more.
What are they trying to say, do you think?
Novelty condom.
Oh. Yes, go on. Oh, thanks. Oh, Twitter.
Oh, then. Talking about a cheapskate, this costs $2.99.
Where is it?
This is a dealcoholized lemon wine.
Let's go back to bed in the morning.
Pound plonk. It's alcohol free even. So some man can have some. I had to buy this myself. Shows how much sad I am.
What was that one I was talking?
Not long there.
No, shall I?
It's not Damon Hill.
You're supposed to pop it first and then...
You
yeah.
can do it side to side.
You can do it as fast as you like. It's your
Have you
own
seen the end of the Robbie Williams and Kylie video? Nuddy, and all of a sudden this happens.
What happens?
I hope they didn't get a kickback from this. I'll be walking.
Waffles gonna go backwards like Coke in his hand.
Get up enough. Look at it.
You do it side by side and just do it bit by bit. Don't. Do it bit by bit. One side and the other. Yeah. No, get the coke. Get two thumbs, push it a bit and...
You do it, it's your birthday.
Hey, Sticky Vicky, she was sure how to take coke, yeah?
then go from, then go the
That's
that's
it.
it.
I want my mask to protect my face.
I know, but it should be good with his wrist anyway.
Within a few minutes, alright, they're rushing it out of time. What's vinegar kicked in? I made a film.
Oh, God.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You could be counting sometime. This is one for you being framed, isn't it?
We named this shit.
Do it like a Scotsman with his sword.
It's popping out now. It's almost out.
It's going.
Carving knife.
No, you're out, Tone. Looks like you're out.
It's going.
Ooh, ooh.
Shake it, Mum.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
It's coming.
What's it
Now you know why I'm not a waiter. Oh God, I thought this was going to look spectacular on video.
It is spectacular. When he arrives, it does come, you know.
5, 10, 15, 20. If it ain't come yet, it must be empty.
Bite it out.
Go on, it's coming.
It's got to pop out. It's got to pop. Trouble is, has anyone got a tissue? Because this is full covered in ketchup in my hand. First person got to drink it out.
Take bottle.
Right, when it's time now, get another check and it'll go.
Usually does.
Well, some good cheers when this goes,
Yeah,
you know.
we're all going to get...
Look inside it and pull it out. To get rid of ketchup off top.
Shake it! No! Shake it again!
Look, we need somebody to have an eye took out for that. Volunteer.
Go on, get the spray. Get everybody to spray them.
Down!
Down in one.
Oh.
Down in one.
Yeah, down in one.
If you love me, you'll swallow it.
You can't do that with that. It just explodes in your mouth.
So
I'll show you. Look.
Grand Prix did you win then? You be doing a week grass on mine, here, you bar.
What else can I
Have a
do?
look. I'll show you on our hand.
Get the good spray and spray everybody.
I'll get down there. I'll down the start. Well, I just love it when you get a load
Go on,
of people.
get that again.
There's not really like a drink if anybody wants one.
I don't know what that got it all.
I want to get my filly. I want to drink.
Actually, it weren't bad actually for champagne and all, for tasting.
It's the alcohol.
Got a bit of wet round here though.
Alcohol-free sparkling wine produced in Germany with the alcohol. Oh, sorry. What?
Chrissy didn't get wet.
Oh, I'm sorry, Chris, mate. We like to think of you as part of the family.
I missed it. I couldn't get. I didn't realise.
Because you're like a brother to me.
I didn't get that on camera either.
Don't play around near fireworks.
You notice nobody's taking notice of fireworks anymore. Just chuck them on fire.
There's a mouthful. Does anybody want it?
Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Yes, and you'll get this hot tea back.
You said you wanted a mouthful. There's a glass full of the alcohol wine. Anybody want it?
I didn't get it on camera though. I didn't realise you were going to put it over his head.
Neither did Chris say.
It was me that said it.
I hope you didn't wet my bag.
You know that when it
Good
gets
evening.
Hello. I've got to get a picture of my willy on it.
like soap on it.
Hey, up, look at us.
I want one of these.
What? Oh, cards. Hey. We've got a big card yet. Yeah. Happy 40th birthday. The years have been counted. Happy 40th birthday.
Where is it?
Ah, right. A ducking. It's a beak. Happy 40th birthday. The years have been kind to you. Not only have you kept your looks, but you also kept your marbles. Not to mention Teddy Abacus and train set. Ha ha ha. Angela Peter and Christopher. This one's to... There's also Tony, Anthony, just in case you didn't know. It's from Kirsty, Lewis and Embley. Thank you. birthday from Neil and Ellen. Thank you. On your bike. That's
We'll
his
read these
birthday.
messages, Uncle Charles, with camera.
Just text
Our
message.
face gets some messages.
It does. It says, "Ooh, baby, baby, ooh, ooh."
No, it doesn't. Look. No, I'm not. I'm not doing nothing naughty. It just says BT Cellnet. Nothing
Oh,
naughty.
can't get 'em on.
The clock strikes 40.
Whoa, that one worked good.
That's the right car, isn't it?
Hello.
Oh.
You can finish now. Want to take over?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
All it got a bit of splash on there. That's all it got. We're lucky there. There it.
Get lost. You've got another one to open there.
Alright? Oh.
Oh, man!
Wrong man.
What?
Got any more fireworks?
There's loads in there. Look, Uncle.
No, no, couple left.
Right. You know what to do Blair Witch Project now? I'd like to say sorry to my mum, to Josh's mum, to Kirsty's mum, Emily's mum. I'd like to thank Kirsty's mum.
Shut up.
We're doing Blair Witch Project.
Shut up. We want some banging ones.
Want some banging ones?
Yeah. Shut up.
Shut
Ones
up.
that go up and go bang.
What? Go on, say it. Say it on camera or don't say it at all. Honesty is the first
No,
rule of
I'm not
honesty.
saying nothing. I'm being a good niece, aren't I?
Yeah. Niecey niece. Go on. I'd like to thank Josh's mum.
I don't like Blair Witch Project.
What?
Spare bedroom, so I know it's pretty good. And it's going to be an exhibition then, isn't it? Well, that's Mrs. already.
Oh, it's like college or something, doesn't it? Or golf course. Never mind that, look what we've got. Whoa!
Oh, come on, Dark Garden, everybody. Can we consent?
How do they know it's my birthday? How do they know it's my birthday anyway? I just recording out where it's going.
Yeah, just keep them nice and straight. I'm listening.
I'm not bothered, too much going
I
on.
thought it was imaginary friend.
Yeah, he's got a mouse.
Oh, strokes him and kisses him.
Stroke that mouse.
Ready to stroke him today? Stroke him.
Stroke
You
him.
stroke him.
You know when they're running riot, you want him to come to you.
I've today.
No, it's in the paper. What was in it?
I know, it's after that.
Page 3. No, I don't know in box.
You notice, Swag, how much brighter this is?
Why, you salted it?
No, I mean, look at how Bob, you can hardly make out his face. Or, could I say,
I don't know.
look,
We've
you
been
can't
hanging
actually
around
make out
this
his face, makes that
little
really a lot clearer, can't you?
bit.
Oh, looks like Moby. Oh, Moby, can I have your autograph? Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, it's our Craig.
What are you thinking what we did? Are we looking through area again?
Why did he go that way?
I mean, look how much clearer it is, Vic. Yeah, Bob. But,
You got a little friend outside of you, Joe.
Oh, hello. Hello, darling. Do you like fireworks?
You can hold it. Here, you be able to hold it with that, on like that.
I'll get away from yourself, darling.
is that the first ever sparkler?
I don't want that one.
Does it tell itself how much light it needs then?
Yeah, close to that.
Uncle, what do you do anything? I know you dirty messages. You disgusting. Oh, God.
Emily, what?
Yes.
Granddad's there asking. What do you want? It's just after he's gone next to a drink.
Can you not do any more fireworks, please? Emily needs to concentrate on this.
It's not as... Oh, is that lovely?
I don't believe that.
There are dogs, there are others.
These are good size.
Cute.
Angela, Kathleen, you're hopeless.
I'm sorry, but
I
I
did-
need to set these up at Babby's.
A close-up of her eyes, perfectly panned out, all the way down. She's concentrating on that, and she's got it set up and she walks straight in front of the camera. Hey, what?
I can't wait to see you play acting bit at the beginning. That's it.
I've seen that. It does, like when you press your finger on it, look, it sort of like leaves a trail of like liquid. Like I put your finger in a pool of liquid, look. Yeah, no, that's when I was trying to wipe that fake champagne off it. They got fake champagne all over it. What's recording?